What's going on, guys? Slightly different video today. I'm going to be doing something pretty special for the Giulia Quadrifoglio. I'm going to be giving it a proper window protection. As you can see, this time she ain't as tidy as she used to be. Wheels are a bit grimy. The arch is not looking good, and it gets worse the more we come round the back. Those tailpipes look shocking. So we're going to do a proper job today. I've just had a new package from SqueakyLee's, so I'm going to unbox that with you now. We're going to kickstart. First of all, everyone knows you've got to do wheels first, so we'll get the wheel cleaner on there, get a bit of Superior shampoo, and also some citrus pre-wash in those arches. Know they're a bit filthy, so make sure we'll get that sorted. Next, snow foam on the job. That'll make sure that we get a good pre-wash. If this is not getting all of what we wanted off, because it is quite filthy, it doesn't look it, but it is. We might hit it with some citrus pre-wash just to loosen up those really tough bits of grime. Once it's got a snow foam on, give it a couple of minutes to do its job, and then we'll rinse that off and get ourselves onto a contact wash again using the jelly bean shampoo. Excited to use this. It smells absolutely amazing, so that'll be a pretty good way to start. Okay, so next we're going to be hitting it with the whiteout snow foam. A lot of people mess this up and overmix it and put too much stuff in. So instead of being wasteful with your snow foam, because snow foam's expensive, if we just look at this polar blaster, this is probably the usual snow foam cannon you may have. If you fill it just above the bottom here, that's a rough guide to say, yeah, that's probably enough. And also not filling it all the way to the top, because you never use the whole amount. I mean, mine's quite a big car, but yeah, just about here. Wow, what a difference that is. Fully washed, ready to be dried now. I'm gonna get the blower on it, get all the loose water off and just rinse it off with some low pressure, just to make my life a bit easier. And then we'll start moving on to the polish and protection stages. Wow, this stuff is absolutely incredible. So easy to put on, spreads like butter, and it buffs off super easy. And the shine is just something else.